The University of Dundee and Dundee Science Centre have a long history of partnership. Usually this would involve face-to-face interactions with the public, but in 2020 this needed to change.
There's a quick transition that had to be made to look at how we can engage with people in a different way. We couldn't do that alone. We are one organisation and we needed the help and support of our partners.
I think we as scientists are responsible to communicate science and provide the facts to the general public so there are no misconceptions. It was a teamwork that created this nice way of learning the basics of microbiology.
Dundee Science Centre asked us to create activities that are suitable for children aged 5 to 10 years old for their home learning programme. So it was really nice to kind of give something for the local school kids.
I think this is the essence of what we're all about at Dundee University as well. We're very much interested in engaging with the local community. We want to be seen as a force for good. We want to, where we can, transform lives and provide opportunities and better lives for those particularly in deprived areas.